Meaning of fun.
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 Fun. Fun refers to a pleasurable activity that brings joy, amusement, and entertainment. It can be experienced individually or in a group setting, and may involve games, sports, art, music, or other recreational activities. The feeling of fun is often associated with positive emotions such as happiness, laughter, and excitement. Engaging in fun activities can provide benefits to one's mental and physical well-being, including stress relief, improved mood, and increased social connections. Overall, fun is an important aspect of life that contributes to a sense of enjoyment and fulfillment.